Nice job, buddy.
And this guy.
Can you put it on here? You gotta give lots of room for other stuff.
Okay. Take a step back for me, bud. There you go, there you go, there you go. That's good. I don't want you to fall off the back of the chair. I just want to be able to
There.
Nice work. Okay, let's do this one
this
now.
one out.
This is as dark as it can be.
You need some flour?
This is really getting good.
This is going good, guys.
Hey, Dad, can I roll out a little?
Let me roll this one out, bud, and then you can help me
Roll a little
with
on
the
the
shape.
side right there.
Like that.
Let's make that a
Let him roll.
Huh? You want to roll a little bit? Not too, not a whole lot of pressure. Just nice and easy. No, nice and easy. Nice and
Good
easy.
job.
Nice and easy.
I think you're ready to cut. Now,
Okay.
I think we'll put the finger touches on.
Roll it back. Let's see how we did. You know what? I think that was it. All right.
It's only the house. Can I get the wood one?
Only do the house.
Only the
All right.
house.
Where are we? Hey.
Mom, I need that to get out of my way.
Okay, let me get it out of your way.
Okay. You gonna knock me out? All right.
I'm gonna knock you out. House pieces.
Mama said knock you out. Yeah, let's see if we do this. Can we do this big one, you think? No, I don't know if we can do that one. Let's do
This out of your way.
Alright.
I think I've worked that roof.
Alright.
Alright, let's see.
Now let's do the chimney.
Want some chimneys? Alright, alright. Let's see what we got.
Now let's do the people.
Here, let's do one more chimney right here. You want to do a person right there?
Am I out of your way now, Luke?
Yeah. Because I moved mine.
I moved mine too.
Oh, good.
Okay, good. Alright. Now, let's see what kind of
Here, a smaller container for the
Oh, wow, look at that.
ZDB. Oh, I'm not going to reheat it.
Oh, look, I got a person that came up here.
I got a thing about sausage and heat.
Alright.
Okay.
Where's our sheet?
I will just...
Oh, look at this.
If we're done with it, then let's just trash it. Does anybody want any more ziti? Because we're going to toss the leftovers.
I don't know if I would, well...